All right, so this is the only AI SEO agent you will need to grow your business. Any small business owner or major business owner, mid-sized business owner will want this AI agent to help them with SEO, and it's a great out-of-the-box solution. So let's dive in. So this is what I'm talking about is Journalist AI. I'm going to show you how to use their new AI agent to enhance your website, and it does all the work for you out of the box. It's very simple to use, which is really nice. This is also an AI auto blogger, which can substantially help your website traffic and SEO, optimize your website with automatic blog posts. So it really takes all the heavy lifting off of it. So you can use it for that. You can use it for an AI SEO agent. So you would go in here under blog automation, and you'll go under site optimizers, and this is the AI agent that I am talking about. So you would create an optimizer. You would do the plus sign, name your website, put your URL in there, and then the max pages, and then you would create the optimizer. I'm not going to do it. I already have one created for a business that I've been working with. So I'm going to go in here to show you what this thing is all about and everything that it can do. So this is the site optimizer page. So it has live optimizations. So it'll analyze your site to see kind of what changes are recommended, has the pages analyzed, and you can reanalyze this. So I reanalyze this every few weeks, if not weekly, just to see what it's telling me to update, what it's telling me to change. And it has traffic from optimizations here, so this will continue to grow and improve. And then it breaks it down specifically into the sections that we all know. If you've been just started SEO or you've been doing SEO for a while, you know this stuff is important in terms of the page titles, in terms of meta keywords, alt text, internal links, all the things that you can control and put in your website that will help you rank better and help you get more traffic over time. So page titles, it will analyze all of your page titles, and this is what shows up. Google indexes these page titles. This is what shows up in search, and the information on them will either cause a client to click into that link or book an appointment, book a consultation, whatever you want to have them do. And the text involved in that title is going to be ranked and optimized and analyzed to be found from people searching on the web. So this is why the titles are important. And the nice thing about this AI agent is if you've worked with AI, sometimes you have it submit stuff and you don't know why it's doing what it's doing. Well, now it's going to tell you why. So this is the current title, and this is the suggested title, and then it will say why. This title is more concise and directly addresses the core topic of protein intake. So this is a specific article about protein, and it includes relevant keywords to enhance search availability. So if you want this change to take place, once you added this integration, you attach it to your website, you can just hit apply, and it'll apply this change to your website and automatically optimize it for SEO. So automatically optimize all your pages. So this is really cool. You can scroll down and see all the pages and the recommendations for the pages. Some of them you may not want to change. Most of them you probably will want to change because what this does is makes them significantly better and adds more valuable keywords in there that you didn't think of. So this is why you have an SEO AI agent. So this is key number one. The second key thing is meta descriptions. So this is really important. This is the data behind the scenes. This is used for indexing. It's used for ranking. So the information and the keywords that you put in the meta descriptions is super important. A, you want to make sure that you have meta descriptions. B, you want to make sure the information in there is really good. So you can see some of these have no meta descriptions, so not found. Some of these pages aren't active, but for the active pages, you want to make sure that you have a meta description. So most of the active pages do have meta descriptions. So then it has enhancements to those meta descriptions. So here's the current meta description, and then here's how it would make it better. And if we want to know why that is, we just hit the why, and it'll tell us that it is more action-oriented and includes key phrases, and it tells us what those key phrases are. So this is something that we may want to consider implementing in our shop, and we just hit apply. Now we can also, if you want to just select all, and then you can select all and then apply all if you don't want to have to go through them one by one. I usually like to go through them one by one just to see kind of what the changes are, and because some of them have already changed. So if it's a new week, I would see, okay, how is this going to optimize it this time? You can see applied changes if you hit the applied button, and then you can see any archive changes. So very, very cool. The next tab is meta keywords. So you can see the keywords in your pages that it's offering to update the keywords on those pages, and then the pages. So the current keywords, and then the keywords that it wants to be, that it suggesting to be put on those pages. You can see it works the same way, and it tells you the why, and then you can apply the meta keywords as well. The other thing that has is image alt text. So if most websites are missing alt text in their images, so that's the phrase describing the phrase describing the picture, what it is, but also search engines index that information and pull that information so you can use it for SEO. So you want to make sure all of your images have alt text. This is an easy way to analyze your whole website and get alt text and SEO optimize your alt text on your website with this tab. The other thing is internal links. So we'll have internal links on pages and where they suggest to put those internal links. There's not a lot here for this website. There may be more or less depending on your website and what pages you have on there, and how you know what your service is and how you want to incorporate it. But it does give you suggestions for internal links. The other top pages up here, you can configure your website URL, your max pages. You can configure your integrations, so you can add additional integrations into this, such as SEMrush, Ahrefs. You know, those are paid services. Has installation, so you can install the site optimizer onto your page with this code in the head. So that is the code that you grab, and there's instructions. There's a tutorial and documentation on how to actually install this in your website, so you can start using it. And then there's the settings tab. But that's it. That is the AI SEO optimizer. Very easy to use. The first step, go get Journalist AI. There's a link below. There's also a discount code. Plus, you can try it for free. You can try this out, put it on your website, and then you can start analyzing your website. And just in a couple of clicks, you will basically out of the gate start improving your SEO. When I started using this a few weeks ago, week over week, I'm getting 20 to 30% more traffic just by analyzing these pages and importing more SEO friendly keywords and redoing a lot of these page titles, meta descriptions, and adding all the alt text really has helped out a lot. So I'm excited to see where this is going to go, but make sure you guys are trying this out. Every business should definitely have this. This is a great out-of-the-box solution for an AI agent that you really don't have to do anything. You don't have to build it. You don't have to figure it out. It's all out of the box for you, and very, very easy to use.